Welcome to the 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 302 review. Experience the raw power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge performance of the 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 302. This legendary muscle car is back, redefining American performance. In this presentation, we'll explore the Boss 302's bold exterior, driver-focused interior, advanced safety technology, and exhilarating powertrain. Get ready to unleash the beast on the road and track. Let's begin. Exterior design. The 2025 Boss 302 boasts a muscular and aerodynamic exterior with signature Mustang front grille with a bold Boss 302 badge. New adaptive LED headlights and sequential taillights. 19-inch lightweight alloy wheels. Aggressive hood vents for improved cooling. Quad exit exhaust with active sound tuning. Its race-inspired design commands attention on every road. Interior and comfort. Step inside a cockpit built for performance, featuring Recaro sports seats with premium leather and suede inserts, 12-inch digital instrument cluster with performance telemetry. Sync 4 infotainment system with 10-inch touchscreen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Alcantara-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel. Dual-zone automatic climate control. Safety and driver assistance. The Boss 302 is equipped with advanced safety features, including Ford Copilot 360 technology, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, performance-tuned stability control, powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Boss 302 delivers thrilling performance with 5.0L V8 engine, 500 HP, 420 pound-feet torque. 6-speed manual transmission or 10-speed automatic. Rear-wheel drive system with limited slip differential. Launch control and track mode settings. Performance capabilities. With its MagneRide adaptive suspension, Brembo high-performance braking system, active aerodynamics for optimal downforce, the Boss 302 dominates the road and track. 0 to 100 km/h, 4.0 seconds. Top speed, 290 km/h. Quarter-mile time, 11.8 seconds. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 302 is available in 3 trims. Base Boss 302, starting at $55,000. Boss 302 Track Pack, starting at $62,000. Boss 302 Heritage Edition, starting at $68,000. Each trim offers unique enhancements to elevate performance and style. Experience the rebirth of a legend. The 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Unleash the power.